Hi students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. In this video, we shall discuss about articles. Okay, we know articles. Articles are used to tell about the quantity of a noun. Okay, these articles are used to tell about the quantity of either singular or plural or the noun which is being talked about or about the specific noun. Okay, articles are used to refer quantity of a noun. Okay, these articles are used to refer the quantity of a noun, whether it is singular or plural or the specific noun which is being talked about. See here, articles are used to refer the quantity of a noun. Quantity of a noun which means singular or plural. Okay, whether it is singular or plural, or to tell about the specific noun which is being talked about, or to tell about the particular noun. Okay, that's what we use the articles. We use articles to refer the quantities of noun. Okay, singular or plural. Second, to refer the specific noun which is being talked about. Okay, there are, in English language, we have three articles. They are a, an and the are called articles in English language. A, an and the are the articles in English language. Okay, so we use in the whole English language articles to refer any quantity of noun. Okay, so these three articles have been categorized into two types. One is indefinite articles. Second is definite articles. Okay, three articles have been categorized into two groups. One is indefinite articles and the second is definite articles. Okay, we have a, an, the are the articles, and these three have been categorized or divided into two groups. One is indefinite articles and another is definite article. See, why I already discussed, articles are used to tell about the quantity of noun or to tell about the specification of noun which is being talked about. Okay, now we shall discuss in detail about the articles. First, we shall discuss about indefinite articles. Okay, a and an are called as indefinite articles in English language. A and an are called as indefinite articles. Why we call them as indefinite articles? Why we call them as indefinite articles? The meaning of indefinite means uncertain. Anything, anyone. Yes, no? The meaning of indefinite is anything or anyone which is not specified. Okay, that's what the meaning of indefinite. So, what do this indefinite article tell us about? What do this indefinite articles tell us about? They also, this indefinite article a and an tell us about anyone, okay, which is not specified. Okay, this tell us about the nouns which are not specified. Specified means which are not definite, uncertain nouns, anything, anyone. For example, I saw a red car. See here, if we say a red car, there may be many number of red cars. Okay, among them, he saw one of the red cars. She ate an apple from the basket. Okay, she ate an apple from the basket. Here, when we use an, there may be apples in the basket. Okay, there may be some more apples in the basket. In that basket, he took an apple, one apple. Among them, he took one unspecified apple and she ate. Here we are referring that an unspecified apple we are talking about. We saw a couple of elephants. See, when we use a here, an indefinite article a, which means there may be animals, there may be another elephants also. There may be so many couple of elephants in the jungle, but among them some unspecified couple of elephants we saw, which means we are saying a couple, which means any two. Okay, some two, just they were passing by and we saw a couple of elephants, which means we are not specially specifying them. We saw that particular animals only. We are not specifying here, but we are telling that we saw in general we are talking about. One more example. He likes, okay, he takes an egg daily, which means here an egg means we are referring that many number of eggs are there, daily he takes one each egg. So here when we use a and an before nouns, which means that we are talking in general. we are saying that any one of them are unspecified one we are talking about. Now, a and an, how to use them in a sentence or before words, before nouns, how to use them? See, a is used before consonant sounds. See, generally people say that a is used before consonants. Okay, before consonants means except a, e, I, o, u, all are referred as consonants. Okay, but it's not that we use before consonants, but we use before consonant sounds. Do you understand? Before consonant sounds. Maybe the word might be starting with a vowel. Okay, the word might be starting with a vowel, but the sound is, if the sound is consonant, we use a. For example, European, a European. Here you see the pronunciation, though it started with a vowel, E is a vowel. It started with a vowel and we used a article. According to the general instructions, we have to use an European. Okay, generally what we have to use an European. But the sound is a consonant sound. European, European. Okay, so the sound is consonant sound. That's why we used here a European, a university. See here, here also the word started with vowel U, but the sound is consonant sound. Here also university. Okay, university. Here also a European. The sound is consonant sound. Here also a university. Here also a consonant sound. University. A unit. Unit of. Okay. Here also we used consonant only a, because even though the word started with vowel u, because the sound is consonant sound. That's why article a, indefinite article a, is used before consonant sounds, even though the word starts with a vowel, but if the sound is consonant, we use a article before the words. Now coming to yan, indefinite article yan. We use this an before vowel sounds. Okay, so this consonant, vowel article yan is used before vowel sounds. Generally, we say we have to use this yan before a, e, I, o, u. Okay, generally our idea is this. Okay, but it is not that we have to use before them, but we have to use before vowel sounds. For example, if they start with a, e, I, o, u, okay. If they have vowel sounds, okay, we have to use an. For example, an egg, an orange, an umbrella, okay, and an umbrella. Next, an apple, an ink bottle or an ice cream. Okay, so if the word starts with vowel and also the sound also vowel means we use an. Okay, but in some cases the word starts with vowel and the sound is consonant, or the word starts with consonant but the sound is vowel. In that case we use an. For example, an MLA, an MLA of our colony, an MLA of our area, an MBA student. See here we used an MLA, an MBA student, because the word started with M and M is a consonant, but the sound of M is vowel. But the sound of M is vowel. That's why we used an here. Otherwise, we could have used A. Actually, according to general instructions, we have to use A, MLA. If it is the sound of consonant, if the M is consonant sound, we have to use A, MLA. But here, M is pronounced as vowel, MLA, an MLA. That's why we used an MLA. Here also same way, an MBA student. So students, articles are used to tell about the quantity of a noun and the specific and the specific noun. There are two types of articles. One is indefinite article and two definite article. The first indefinite articles are a and an. A is used before consonants and before consonant sounds, which means even though the word starts with consonant and the sound is consonant, we use A. Okay, for example, a bench, a chair, a globe, a board, a chalk, a road. So all these words started with consonant and sound also used as a consonant sound. Okay, that's why we use A. But in some cases, even though the word starts with consonant and the pronunciation is even though the word starts with a vowel and the sound is consonant, we use A. A European, a university, a unit, like this. And in the case of an, we use an before vowel sounds, which means we start the word starting with vowels and the pronunciation is vowel, as well as the words in some cases the word starting with consonants but the sound is vowel, then we use an, like an MLA, an MBA student. In other cases, if the word starts with vowel and pronunciation is a vowel, we use an, like an egg, an orange, an umbrella, an apple, an ice cream. So I hope students you understood you watch this video again and again. Write as many as words possible using a and an indefinite articles, so that you will have a better understanding. If you have any doubts, send it to me so that I will give you a reply. Thank you.